pathological liar blue. Y'all see that? Hold on. This is called talent. So some of us don't have that. Can you not shake? Stop that. The camera's shaking. Oh my God, stop. Wait, I think I made it worse. Wait, am I fixing it? I don't feel like I'm fixing it. I didn't fix it. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Heart is the heart-hearting. It's the heart-hearting. Okay, so today, as you can see, we got the artsy-fartsy setup. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, y'all see the fit? Stop playing with me. But, see, we got the artsy-fartsy setup today. So today, we will be following a Bob Ross tutorial. I'm about to show y'all my artistical skills. It's about to get real. We about to get real down and dirty. Now, I ain't got no apron. Ooh, my bad. My bad. I got no apron. So we're just gonna pray I don't get this shirt dirty. Because if I get this shirt dirty, I'm in the whole video. I swear to God. I'm shutting the whole operation down. So, anyway. So, yeah, that's about it. That's all I had to say. So let's get the painting. Oh, wait. This has plastic on it. Wait, we gotta take the plastic off. Ooh, 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 ooh. My bad. Oh. Period. Oh! I don't know what that is. I'm gonna throw it over there. I'll clean up later. Stop! Wait, my bad. Oh, we are having technical difficulties. Can you please get on the canvas? I mean, on the girl. Wait, is this crooked? Just slide on. Slide on. As you can see, we're off to a really good start. Dang, Miss Thing, hold on. Okay, so we're doing Bob Ross Sunset Aglow, season 26, episode 12, because that seemed like the simplest thing he has. It's also the quickest. I'm not trying to be here all day. I got stuff to do. I really don't. I'm just going to Subway after this. I need me a nice meatball sub. I'm real hungry. We're gonna throw it over there too. All right. He uses oil paints. Luckily for him, I got oil paints. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I swear, okay, I know I'm playing. I took like every art class my high school had. Like my senior year, I was actually in AP art. I really do know what I'm doing. We gonna see. We gonna see. Okay, let's get started. Okay.
It has a lot of color in it, one that'll make you feel good inside.
Okay.
So let's start out and have them run all the colors across the screen that you need to paint along with us. While they're doing
titanium
that,
white.
what I've got done
Wait,
up here.
we gotta get the titanium white. Wait, do I have titanium white? Where's the titanium white? Y'all ain't got no white. Oh, how you ain't got no white, Anya? What is this? Oh, this brown. I found it, titanium white. Okay, I lied. I got it. Put some little blue. This is stressful. What is that? That's not the right blue. This is stressful. That's cyan. Okay, what is this? Is this close? This is like pathological liar blue. Y'all see that? Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all really cannot see it. Y'all see that? It says pathological liar blue. You think this gonna work? We just gonna keep it. I'm gonna look. I would love to say this is only one of the monstrous incidents that happens in this video, but I'm gonna be honest, this entire thing was a train wreck. So, you know, bear with me. Thank y'all. Wait, what color is this? Oh my God, ultra uranium. This is ridiculous. Who made all these blues? I'ma watch this part by myself and I'm gonna find the paint. Wait. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all the, okay, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't have half the colors he said. And I didn't know what colors he was talking about. So really, if it said yellow, I was like, ooh, all yellows is yellow. So we finna yellow the yellow. That sounded real smooth. Oh, yeah, I like that. And to be honest, I don't know which color is which because I really just put them on this thing. So if whatever Uncle Bobby say goes. So it's just his world. I'm just living in it. So let us start the tutorial.
You use any size that you want. And I've just covered the entire canvas with a very thin, even coat of liquid white. So
okay, he said liquid white. We ain't got that. This is white enough for me. So it's just gonna have to work. It's just gonna have to work.
Canvas is all wet and we can literally blend color up there. So let's do it. We'll start with our little tiny 2-inch brush.
Okay,
today.
2-inch. This is 2-inch.
We'll go right into a small amount of the Indian yellow. Just a very small amount.
I ain't got no Indian yellow. So we I got this yellow in this corner. Yeah. Let's go.
Go right up here in the sky and just do something like that. That's all there is to it. Just
ain't too fast, Bobby. Hold on, can y'all see that? Okay, y'all can see that. Okay, so he did some of this. Okay, and then he said without cleaning the brush, we're gonna go into yellow ochre. Okay, that's this gross. That's this gross brown right here. And then we just gonna We gonna go in. Oh, this looks so bad. Okay, no, trust the process. Whatever Uncle Bobby said, go. If he said, Anya, it's gonna look so magical when you're done, I'ma just trust Uncle Bobby. Oh, it's kind of blending. Y'all, it's blending. Wait. We just gonna need some more. What is this? What do you call it? Indian yellow? That's kind of racist. This, oh, no, I think I'm messing it up. No, I'm not. It looks good. No, it's okay. It's okay. It is okay, Anya. Yeah, maybe I should have got some liquid white. I didn't. That wasn't on the grocery list, so we can only do what we can do. Yes, Uncle Bobby. I'm on the way. Wait for me. Hold on. You know, he did those cross. Wait. Pop, bing. Oh, I feel like an artist. Wait. I like that. I like this. We're just gonna blend it off in the corner like this, and then we're gonna bend. Okay. Then we're missing. Okay, there are a couple hairs in here from this brush because these brushes was cheap. I got them from Hobby Lobby though. And y'all know Hobby Lobby is expensive, so really they're like expensive cheap brushes. But there is a few hairs in here, but mind your business. We just didn't shave today. The paint just didn't shave today. That's the problem. I'm into it. Get into it. This is awesome. Okay, then we're gonna go in with some more umber. Wait, is that what he called it? Is this umber? I don't know what this one is called. Yes, with the same brush. Then we're just gonna cross hatch. I wonder if the technique is the See how blended that is? Wait, and then we just go in and tidy it up. It's already giving the girl sunset. It's already giving the girl sunset. Shake it all up in there. Ooh, yes, blend this thing. Stop playing. Ooh, why does that look really good? Stop playing with me. That's all I'm finna say to y'all. That's all I'm finna say to y'all right now. Stop playing with me, please. Respect my gift, respect my talent. Thank you. Am I sweating? This is a sport. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm hot. It's hot in here. What is it, 78 degrees? Let me turn the AC down. No, I'm good. Shall we continue?
Clean the brush.
Okay.
Little yellow ochre. It's sort of a golden color.
A golden color.
There. Okay. Once again, without cleaning the brush, a little touch of the bright red.
Some of the bright red.
Careful with the bright red.
Okay. Oh, no, it's
gorgeous, gorgeous.
Okay, you're right. Okay, Uncle Bobby, you're right. You're right. Ooh, it's so strong. You are so right.
1, 2, but turn the whole Atlantic Ocean red. Be very careful with it. Don't need much.
Oh, he said we don't need much, but I put a lot on here.
Sort of blend that around like that.
Wait, okay, pause. Wait, Uncle. I'm trying. You said don't use much. I used a lot, Uncle. I'm sorry. Okay, we just gonna blend it. Okay, this is a bright red. This isn't the color that he has in the video at all. This is this is scarlet, but it looked like a bright red. So I was like, oh, it's the same thing essentially with the brightness. So at the end of the day, hold on. I'm not even looking, no hands. Y'all can't even paint like that. Stop playing with me. Then we go into the burnt umber. Wait, he didn't blend it up that. Okay, no, he did. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Okay, please finish. Okay, I'm gonna watch the. Okay, we're gonna watch and we're gonna follow along. Okay. Okay.
There. That's pretty already. Shoot, I like that.
Me too.
Now then, for the rest of the sky, tell you what, let's do the rest of the sky and let's use a lavender color. We'll just brush mix it here. I'll use a little phthalo blue, alizarin crimson, proportionately. Much more crimson than
What? Wait. He said something blue and crimson. Do we have that? Okay, this blue, okay, I don't know where to mix this. And he said some crimson. So here's some crimson. Okay, so we're gonna make like a purple. Okay, like a purple. Oh, am I messing up the crimson? I'm messing up the crimson. I'm scared. Y'all, my crimson. Oh no! It didn't get on the floor, y'all. We're good. I'll just get some Clorox wipes. We'll clean that up later. This is the crimson, y'all. It's not crimson no more. It's like a really gross, I don't know what color. Oh, it's like a, oh. She's cute. Oh, I was tripping. Okay.
To the blue.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, let's go up in here.
Yeah.
Now then.
Okay.
I just want to sort of dance this around a little
bit.
Dance
this around
just let it play and bounce.
Okay.
Here and there.
Okay, why is this lighter than mine? Am I using the wrong blue? I used the wrong blue with the crimson. I used the wrong blue with the crimson. What else? 1 second. Cause his look like purple. Mine ain't purple. So we're just gonna, brush it off right here. I think we were supposed to use this other light blue. And we're just gonna put that in there and we're just gonna take some crimson, dilute it. Okay, that's cute. Okay, she's cute. Oh, no, this looks way worse. Should I put some white? I'm gonna add some white. Just to lighten it up. His is like purple, mine ain't purple, so I'm gonna just add some white. Yeah, that's good, that's good. There we go, now it's, okay. Y'all, you can't see it from right, just know this looks real good. This looks real good. Okay, this just gonna be like space. And then the sky's right here. That made so much sense. Why is it still dark? It's okay, It was just Black History Month. A little dark ain't never hurt nobody. Okay. He said why is his so light skinned? I'ma just add some white in it. See? I'ma just add some white. I'm such an artist. Y'all, okay, we're just gonna add some white. Ooh! Stop playing. Oh, I'm going to get a noise complaint. Let's settle down. Wait. Okay. Work on. Oh yes. Okay, add some more white. Oh, I'm messing up my white. We'll just make some more white. Yes, let it dance. It's dancing. Is it dancing? It's dancing. 1 second. Mama, you said what?
In my bag's in this closet.
Can I call you back? I'm filming.
Oh, okay. I just want to let you know what I just said.
I'm finna come over there and look, somebody's lying.
Okay, whatever, man.
Bye. That was my artistical mama. I can't find my purple duffel bag in the house. I know it's at her house. The duffel bag was at my house. I'm so sorry, mother, if you ever see this for accusing you, but in my defense, I be leaving stuff at your house and you be lying, so not too much. I hope it's at her house because I really need it. Okay, what was we doing? Yes, the purple. Okay, yes, we're adding white. Don't think because we added white that it's better. It was cute dark. White does not mean better. UNITY, thank you. It was just Black History Month. Let us never forget our roots. Okay, we're dancing. Come to me. Stink, what are you doing? I should have put the titanium white. Or the white, whatever he said to put on this thing. I didn't do that. So, did my TV just turn on? I'm having such a connection right now. Am I having a manic episode? No, I'm good. No, I'm good. We're good. Y'all, this is taking forever. Uncle Bobby, like you never said it was gonna take this long. I'm starting to get irritated. I'm putting in mega work right now. Y'all, I'm really sweating. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm hot. This is hot. I don't know how Bobby was up in the studio making videos for y'all. Like, I'm hot. Very abstract. My work is very abstract. You know what I'm saying? I'm not like the other artistic girlies. I like to do things like with my own zest and my own flavor. So, you know, that's why it's not gonna look exactly like Uncle Bobby's. But it's gonna look good regardless because, you know, because I am his kin. You know, if y'all didn't know, I am Bob Ross's second baby daddy, cousin, uncle, daughter, sister-in-law, married in twice, cousin, baby daddy, sister. So like we're pretty much related. I don't want to flex like that hard on y'all that, you know, that my uncle is pretty much an artist and that, like, you know, it's in the genes, but it's like that. It's really like that. And I just don't like to stunt that much. You know, I like to be humble. This is me humbling myself. Stalo blue. Who is Stalo? And why is his blue so blue? Washing the brush. What brush? How did you wash the brush? Uncle, how you do that? Okay, we're just gonna switch brushes. I don't have time to do the extra. Just blend them together. Wow, nothing is blending. Nothing is blending. Y'all, this is so stressful. Uncle Bobby. Y'all, when I tell y'all mine looks nothing like his, I just think there's a lot of gap in between the yellow and literally everything else. So, give me 12 seconds while I fix this and we'll be back. Oh, I fixed it. I fixed it and that was cute. And now, you know, she looked better. So all I want to hear right now in the comments is, wow, Anya, you really ate that. You really ate this piece up. That's all I want to hear right now. I don't want to hear no criticisms. I don't need that. I need support. Okay, he hits the we're not gonna do that.
We gotta touch a little phthalo blue. Just hit it here and there up toward the top.
Okay, we can do that.
Blue against the green or the yellow here.
He said to wipe it on. He said wipe the. Okay.
We'll wash the brush.
Okay.
That's the most fun part of this whole procedure. Shake it off.
Okay.
Just
okay. So he said put some white now with the
dry brush.
Where's the white? Where's my white?
Begin blending these colors together.
Wait, Bobby, where's my white? Okay, we're gonna put some clouds. Ooh. Oh my. Okay, no, it's okay. You're right. Ooh. Oh, it's coming together. What brush? Oh, there's green. Oh shoot, there's green. Oh, I got some of the green. Oh no. Okay, just wipe it off with the paper towel. Just wipe it off on you. It's okay. It's just gonna be a little green in the clouds. Okay. You can't even see the red. No, I mean the green no more. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the camera shut off because, you know, everything about this video does not want me to do well or thrive. But, so this is how far we got. No, you're not. I personally like it. I feel like, if, you know, I just feel like if I could look at heaven right now, it looks like this painting. I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but you know, this is called talent. So some of us don't have that. Me and Uncle Bobby, we're just the gifted ones. We're just the gifted ones. Yo, I'm so tired of this, like, ugh. Let's see it through, I guess.
See that contrast? It just
okay.
Jumps right out at you. That's what we're looking for. There. Shoot. Tell you what, while we got the old blender brush going, watch here, watch here, watch here. Let's take a little bit of that nice lavender color.
Okay.
Let's paint in maybe the indication of just a happy cloud that lives right here, bright red and white. Just vary these colors. Just vary them back and forth, and around and around and around. Something like that.
I know Uncle Bobby ain't petting no squirrel. It's a squirrel, Bobby. Come on now, work with me here. I'm trying to work with you. Work with me.
Very docile, very quiet little squirrel. And this one is quite a pet. He belongs to my friend Cindy, one of the rehab ladies that lives around Orlando there.
I'm finna just pull off the purple. Like, y'all, ooh, it won't open. Ooh, ow, it's hurting me, it's hurting me. Okay, I'm gonna just pull out the purple. Like, sir, you want me to make a purple, and that's doing entirely too much. Here's what we are finna do. I'm finna grab this purple, we're finna put some white in it, and we're gonna call it a day. Cause, oh my God. Y'all, I'm hungry, I'm sweaty, I'm stressed out. This is ridiculous. He did this for a living, like, bless his heart, but girl, I'm already irritated. Like, what are we doing? This don't even look right. You know what, I'm over it. We just gonna slap. You know what did Bobby be saying? Happy little accidents. This whole video was a happy little accident. Cause y'all, this is almost the dumbest thing I've done on here. It's not the dumbest thing I've done on here. I don't even think it's like top 5. Well, it's not top 5. It's not top 5. I thought painting was supposed to be calm and soothing. I am neither calm nor soothed. I'm quite the opposite. I'm quite frustrated and flabbergasted. And hold on, you know what? I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. I literally can't do this anymore. This is what we came up with. This is all the time we have today. Y'all, when I say I'm about to pass out on the floor, this is so stressful. I'm hot, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm hot, and I'm frustrated. I'm not gonna lie though, it low-key eats a little bit. Not too much, it low-key, just a little bit. How you gonna sit here and lie and tell me it's gonna eat a little bit? Exactly. Yeah, but this is where we end. This is the end. I'm done. I wasted a whole canvas. I wasted at least 4 brushes and a whole bunch of paint. I'm going to Subway to get me a meatball sub, and I will catch you on the flip side. That's just about wraps up today's video. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I'll see you next time I decide to, girl, I'm never doing this again. Don't even ask. Don't even look at me funny. Like, girl, bye, I love you.